Listen, Princess Grace is my territory, Buster.
You could share.
Yeah, I suppose. Maybe I could allow for a little puppy cuddling. But the back of the knees, I'd draw the line, all right, buddy?
You know, I think we need to give him a name. Excuse me.
I don't know. How do you spell that?
I hope I'm not coming down with a cold. Excuse me.
That's it. That's it. You're staying home. You're staying home sick.
Well, Kevin, I sneezed twice. What?
Yeah, but no. You sneeze. You got to nip these things in the bud.
You're being ridiculous.
Well, I'm not being ridiculous. I mean, it's a fever. It starts, and then it moves down into your chest, and then next thing you know, bam, you got yourself pneumonia.
You're crazy.
Why? Because I worry about you?
There's nothing to worry about. I just sneezed. Excuse me.
I rest my case.
Kevin, I swear to you, I'm fine.
I want to, so just let me. All right? You're coming down with the cold, so I'm going to nurse you back to health.
I don't have a cold.
Yes, you do. And I'm going to go and get you some chicken soup at the diner. Make you feel a little better.
What are you up to?
Just what I said. Stay put.
Oh, what am I doing?
How you feeling?
Lousy. Where is it?
Where's what?
The soup. I think I might be coming down with something after all.
Yeah, I didn't get the soup. They were out of it. So.
The diner was out of soup.
Yeah, they were not entirely. They had black bean soup, but that's not good for a cold. Bless you.
What is wrong with me?
I've been around the block. That's okay.
Sorry.
God bless you.
Sorry.
I've never felt like you gotta be kidding me.
I get it.
All right, hold on a second. Hello. Joey, your timing isn't incredible. No, it's bad. I'm in the middle of something.
This is a mistake.
With all we have in common, the knowledge we share about your past and how you financed the LQ with dirty money, we're soulmates, Tracy. If we go our separate ways, I think you're going to feel miserable. Bless you.
Sorry. You haven't let me finish.
Bless you.
I've been sniffling all day, and I think I'm coming down with something.
Oh, I got a doctor who'll fix you right up. This guy can heal whatever nails you.
I'm not prepared. I don't have a dress.
Well, that's Maxie's area of expertise.
Oh, we can't get married on Friday the 13th. That's bad luck.
And the outfit's cute. Just as long as my head doesn't explode. Oh, just a minute. Believe it or not, that's just not something I hear very often.
Really? Can't imagine why.
I know, right?
You okay?
I am fine.
Kiki, this might sound like a silly question, but do you have a cold?
No, I don't have a cold. I have the worst cold in history. I didn't want to cancel our date.
You are sick. It would have been fine.
I just figured I could sneak away to the ladies' room and blow my nose a couple times and you wouldn't notice. But then a couple hours ago...
Hit you like a ton of bricks?
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like my sinuses are actually going to explode. And I've been sneezing and coughing. But somehow I managed to put on a dress and a face full of makeup for our date without collapsing.
Wow, you are a nut. You know that? Here. All you had to do was tell me that you're sick, and we could have rescheduled for another night.
But I didn't want you to think I was bailing on you.
I wouldn't have. Thanks, there, Monica. I'm on it. Okay. She is calling in a prescription for you.
I am so sorry about that coughing fit that I had while we were kissing. I'm really sorry.
Morgan came here to say, I was on a date with you tonight, and we were having fun before. And now that I took some of that cold medicine that you so gallantly got me, we're gonna have even more fun. So, sit.
I've been trying to ask you something all day long, and what the hell?
I think it's a wonderful idea. Grace, here's a human in.
I think I need to sit down.
You said yes?
Yes, I said yes. Did you think I wouldn't?
I don't know. I guess stranger things have happened.
Bless you.
Oh,
Hey, remember what Mom used to say about sneezes?
what?
Yeah. Well, Mom used to say that a sneeze was like a cannon to God of your last thought. So you better watch your thoughts, sis.
You bought that.
Well, I was 4 and Sam was slow.
Oh.
Bless you.
Excuse me. Oh,
But you think of bad thoughts about your brothers now? Is that what?
no, that's between me and God.
How long have you been sneezing?
Since yesterday.
Mind if I just check something out here?
Oh, come on.
Calm down. Say out for your brother.
Give you a medical license, boy.
A little red. Under the tongue. Over there. I don't know how to tell you this, but I'm afraid you've got a cold.
A cold.
A cold.
That's all I have is a cold, you're sure?
Positive.
Oh, you have no idea how happy you just made me.
Wow.
Oh, man. Thank you.
There you are.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, I have a cold. I have a cold. All sneezing is a cold.
Well, you say that like that's a very good thing.
It's a very good thing.